Oksa! Gorge. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Really? Oh, I didn't get a spoon. I'll just use my fork. It's 7:21. She's supposed to come out at 7:45. How do you feel? Do one for the vlog. What are you gonna do? Oh. You gotta videotape him. Okay, do it for the vlog. Ew. Oh, okay. Anyone else? Do you want to do it for the vlog? That's okay.
To be your brother.
You're always going to be my older sister, but growing up, we would always pretend we were twins with our matching outfits, doing all the same things, and sharing a room till we were literally in high school. Zach, I'm really happy to have gained you as a brother, and I know you're extremely happy to have gotten the little sister you have always wanted.
Did you find it at first? I was like, did we spoil it?